How to change pickup time on Uber. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. To change your pickup time on your Uber, all you have to do is launch your Uber application first and foremost. So go ahead and do that. Make sure that you are currently logged in into your Uber account. Now once you are in here at the top, you will see the option of Now that you can tap on it and easily customize the date and time and change your pickup location. Then select a ride to reserve a ride on the designated date and time. You can also do this by going on the Activity tab and checking on the reserved options. Now, there is alternative way as well. Just go to Services, tap on Ride, then again customize the date and the time of your pickup. Select Set Pickup Time. Then to reserve, go ahead and select your destination. Wasn't it simple? This is a quick and easy process. However, if the Uber reserve is not available for your reason, try to update your Uber application. If not, check for Wi-Fi connection and make sure to up-to-date your Uber app. And that wraps up this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.